Hi everyone, I just wanted to check in with you this week and see how everything is going. It's already week 7 and I thought I would just give you a couple reminders and then show you what's happening this week. So first of all, you've probably seen this on the homepage, but there is a tutoring button and it leads to information about the Academic Achievement Center. It has a link to their Zoom room. It has the email to make appointments as well as the tutor schedule, and it lets you know the tutor for the semester. So take advantage of these tutors if you can. They're so helpful. The peer tutors are wonderful, and this will really help you with any questions you have and in writing your essays or completing your other assignments. Also know that you can schedule a Zoom meeting with me. I have office hours by appointment, and just email me and we can set that up. Also, if you have questions, make sure to email them to me. I check my email regularly every day, on weekends, evenings, all the time, and I respond to it pretty quickly. So please reach out if you have a question and I'm happy to help. So next, let's just look at what is going on this week. There's just a couple things that you'll be doing this week. And here we are in Module 7. So you can see you have this discussion board, and The Veldt is a story by Ray Bradbury. He is an author who writes a lot of science fiction and often discusses the impact of technology on society, and this story does that as well, so I think you'll enjoy it. And then you have this rough draft of your comparative essay due. You have been gathering the supportive quotes last week and creating a frame for this, and I'll have you go ahead and use those same topic sentences I provided as a structure for this essay and continue to develop it for this rough draft. Make sure to watch the video I created on the assignment page. I think it will really be helpful to you in structuring the essay. And then next week we're going to workshop this essay on a discussion board with a partner. I will be assigning you a partner for that. So you'll have a little bit of input and feedback before you have to turn in the final version, and I'll be giving you video feedback on your rough draft as well. So that's the overview for the week. Make sure to ask me any questions you have, and I look forward to talking to you.